I'm in Shanghai. Yay!
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. But we fell apart just in time.
All right, I just arrived in Shanghai. And let me see if I can do this. I'm wearing no makeup because I just traveled for the past 15 hours. I did a 13-hour flight and then like a 50-minute cab ride. And I'm finally here and it feels so good. I can't wait to shower. I'm staying at the JW Marriott in Shanghai, which is beautiful. The view is insane. It's so nice to have one night in a hotel room before checking in onto the ship tomorrow. So this vlog is going to be about my experience working on the entertainment side of Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines. So I did 3 months with them earlier this year, assisting on a brand new show on a brand new ship called Spectrum of the Seas, and the show is called Silk Road. So we created that show earlier this year on our very first cast, and now it's already time to have our second cast come in and take over the show as cast one exits out, which is crazy because that means that this year's flying by. We already did rehearsals with cast 2. Rehearsals always happen in Miami for Royal Caribbean. That's where they're based out of. So they do a few weeks in Miami and then they do a few weeks on the ship and then they open their show. So that is why I'm here. I only am able to be in rehearsals for 1 week, so I'm just doing one cruise. Gonna just help out as much as I can for a week in rehearsals and take you guys along with me. If there's a robe in that closet, that's it. I won't leave. I'm gonna miss the boat. Oh my gosh. Nothing better than slippers and robes, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna stop rambling so that I can go get dinner before it gets too late, and then have a chance to just lay in this bed and take advantage of this gorgeous room and be in my robe and in my slippers.
At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game.
Sorry I'm back, but this just keeps getting better. My welcome gift as a member of Marriott just arrived. Dun, dun, dun. Good morning. It is about 6 a.m. in China. It is about 6 a.m. in China, which means I think it's like 3 p.m. right now in California, but yesterday. So I'm 15 hours ahead right now. I slept pretty well. Not mad about it. I was so tired from the travel day, so I knocked out. And then I woke up around 4 and kind of just laid there. Didn't get much sleep, but just still trying to relax. And then at like 5:30, I was like, you know what? I have a few hours before I need to go. So let me call Cody, go to the gym, and then get breakfast, and then get ready so that I don't feel rushed. I'm not going to do anything crazy. Probably just walk on the treadmill. My favorite workout ever is incline walking. It helps you burn fat, build muscle, and sweat. So it just like really is good for your whole body. And I'll probably do that for maybe a half hour. I want to work out now because I know that once I get on this ship, things are going to be crazy and it's going to be a little nonstop. So here I go. Packed up, ready to go. It's about a 40-minute drive from my hotel to the port. Kind of bracing myself because I'm getting on the same time as normal passengers, like people who are actually here to take their vacation. So it's going to be very hectic, very crazy, but just gonna be patient and go with it. And I'm excited to take you guys onto the ship with me. I can't say enough about my hotel. I'm kind of sad that I'm leaving it now. The Marriott was great and the gym is great. I had a really nice breakfast in the lounge since I'm a member with Marriott. Everyone was very nice and polite. So if you're ever in Shanghai, the JW Marriott is an amazing option. And hopefully one day I can come back to Shanghai and visit more of this beautiful city. Wow. Off to Spectrum of the Seas.
So, give me love, take it right back to your backseat. Guess I can't get enough. I don't wanna wait, no, I just wanna take off. Right into your heart, right to where you are. Baby, you know what you do. When you look at me like that, and that voice that drives me mad, and you know that just one touch and got up so. Believe me, it's just us, me and you, one and one. It makes two it so easy. An equation that will never change, you and I on two bases. Gravity.
Hey guys, I am all settled in my room. I want to do a quick little cabin tour. We stay, as contractors coming on for shows, we stay in guest cabins, which is really nice. We don't have to stay in the crew cabins. This is the whole room view from when you walk in. We have a nice mirror, another great mirror, and then TV. Giant bed, which is amazing. Pretty good storage. I'm gonna unpack just a little bit, but not too much. A little closet wardrobe, the bathroom. Unpacked my stuff a little bit. And that is it. We have slippers, which are new. We did not have these the first time. Okay, you guys, so it is day one here for me. Signed on a few hours ago and my cast 2 was already in rehearsal, so I just took my suitcase, took everything, went straight to rehearsals because it's a short day for them whenever they have one cruise sign off and the new cruise sign on. They also have a lot of boat drills and stuff to do for the new passengers, so I ran straight to rehearsals, got to say hi to everyone, which was so fun. Just wanted to give a little bit of context to what you will be seeing in this video. So there are going to be 2 main characters in this video with me. One is going to be Diego.
Why are you video taking me? Are you posting this?
Probably. So Diego is the main director, choreographer for this show. And he is who I have been assisting. I assisted him for the first 3 months of creating the show, and I assisted him for the choreography for cast 2 as well. And me and him are so close. We got so lucky with how well we get along and our dynamic. I've really become close with him. I love his family. I stayed at their house for a few days while I was in Miami. They feel like family to me, and I know we'll be in each other's lives for forever, so it's very special. So you'll be seeing a lot of him, which he's amazing. He's such a good character. And then you're gonna see a lot of Maggie.
I'm afraid.
Who is a rehearsal director for Royal Caribbean. She learned the entire show, not just choreography wise, but she has to know everything about the show so that when the show keeps running and gets to like cast 10, she will be director of the show and Diego will probably be on new projects. She's in rehearsals with us every day. Me and her got really, really close the first time I was working for Royal Caribbean, and literally spent every minute together. I don't know how I would have survived that whole experience without her. So yeah, she's like a sister to me, so you will be seeing a lot of her. So right now in this moment, cast 1, the very original cast who I spent 3 months with, is ending their contract with this, which is insane. They have been on the ship since March or April. I'm not sure, very long though. We spent 3 months together, you guys, like every day in rehearsals on the ship with the same people every day. So it's very family oriented, which is so awesome. So seeing cast 1 people, it just makes my heart so happy, and it's awesome. So cast 1 is still doing their shows, and then during the day cast 2 is rehearsing. So cast 2 rehearses during the day, and then cast 1 has shows on different nights of the cruises. We'll be in rehearsals every day with cast 2, and then you'll see a little bit of cast 1 with shows and stuff. So yeah, it's like a crossover. So we have cast 1 on the board, cast 2 on board. It's like a big family. Everyone's together. Everyone gets along so well, which is incredible, because that's not always the case. It's just, it's normal. 2 really great groups of people, so we're very lucky with our performers. This job is just an entire experience, so I cannot wait to just take you guys everywhere, from, like you saw, staying in my hotel for one night, and then every day on here is just something's different, and it's cool to reunite with my cast 1 and be rehearsing with my cast 2. Being on a ship is just crazy, like the daily life being on a ship, sightseeing different places. So yes, this is gonna be good. I'm excited. And a little context on the show, it's called The Silk Road. Actually, let me just read it to you. This would be way better than me explaining it. The Silk Road, the incredibly rich and diverse cultures, styles, designs, and visuals that are synonyms with the famous trading routes of the ancient Silk Road. They've all been combined and integrated with beyond state-of-the-art entertainment technology to create one of the most unique live productions in the world. This is true. So our venue is not a normal theater venue. You'll see in my videos that there's going to be giant video screens. There's video robots that we just call the robots that move. The stage is always moving. There's different levels of the stage. It's pretty dynamic. It's a beautiful, beautiful show. It has like contemporary, jazz funk, Bollywood dancing, a lot of aerial work. I love it. And maybe I'm biased because I was in the whole creation process, like part of bringing this show to life. So, but I don't think so. I think it's pretty amazing. And it's just different. It's not like your normal cruise ship show. Welcome aboard Spectrum of the Seas.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
Good morning, you guys. It is 8 a.m. and we just docked in Nagasaki, Japan, which is so exciting. I've never been to Japan before. And we have a few hours this morning because the cast has drills. So we have a few hours to get off the ship and we're gonna get some breakfast. Good morning. So just wanted to let you guys know how I like to start my mornings. I always do room service with coffee and lemon water. So I have 1 lemon water, 1 coffee. I know it's a lot, but I just give you a whole bunch. That's always how I start it. And then last night when I sent my order, I was like, I think I want to start with like just a nice meal. So I just did some oatmeal and a banana. And I don't always get food in the morning. Sometimes I like to wait a little bit longer to eat, but I was just feeling it on this one. All right, it's the night in Okinawa, going for dinner off ship and then to see my show for the last time.
You ready? Alright, now let's go. Hypnotized, you got me stumbling across the floor. So surprised, it shocked me. That body got me wanting more. Oh, yeah.
Open? I'm afraid.
Okay.
Oh. Sapporo's in Japan. And we have a place to ourselves.
Do you like to take it slow? We don't have to rush the flow. Let me know. Oh, oh, oh. If you take my hand and go. 'Cause girl, I wanna know you down the road.
everybody. Last night I watched my first cast do the show for the last time. It was bittersweet, but I'm so proud of my first cast. We've been through so much together and it's just so rewarding to watch. And today's my last day with cast 2 in rehearsals, and most likely gonna come back for the end of cast 2's contract to bring on cast 3, so it's the same process as this one, so I'll see them again for sure. So yeah, it's gonna be a bittersweet day. It's always a joy with my Royal Caribbean family. I just get treated so well. It's such a cool experience being on a cruise ship and working in the shows, so I feel very grateful and lucky for this opportunity.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow.
And now the time has come. I don't know what's going on with my hair, but I need to shower. Tidy up a little bit to pack because I have to get out of here early in the morning. We dock in Shanghai and I go straight to the airport and I go straight to LA, flying back to LA this time to go home. I cannot believe how quick this trip went. It's crazy. It's always hard, like saying goodbye to your cast people because you spend all day with them and then you hang out with them after rehearsals. But it's part of the industry. A lot of hard goodbyes. But so excited to get home. Yippee!